Alright, so I'm going to show you how to match the color in a clip. First of all, what you're going to do is you're going to pull your thing over here and you're going to highlight this clip. And as you can see, this clip is kind of blown out because it's a backlit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to my little color thing here. I'm going to click on it. It's going to have a little thing that says match color. And this is the shortcut right here. So I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to come over here. I'm going to click on this one here. And you can see it changed up here to match this clip here. So now once I've done that, I come over here, I hit apply match. And then this one gets a little bit closer to this one here. So let's just run it through real quick. See, I'm going to go Command Z. Command Z. Let's go back. I'm going to run it through first. Alright, so so now let's go back, click on it. We'll go back to matching the color of this clip here. Let's do this clip. Alright, you see how it changed in shade? And if we like that, we just hit apply match, and then now this, run it through. As you can see, it's changed a little bit to a darker, more contrasted color. And that's how you match a color. Alright, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff on Final Cut Pro. Peace out.